So we just want to quickly go over for loops. Last time we ended with what? While loops. We've already done if else statements or if elif and then else statements. We've looked at other different things as well, but basically just want to look at another loop feature. While we'll continue to iterate until the main condition ceases to be met. For loop, you want to run for a particular fixed range over a particular step or interval. Yeah. I think last time we did a similar for loop, but for that was for we did in C++ briefly. I think I'll show you somebody else something. So let me clear my screen, and as usual, you will start with your own header. I'll stop doing that in presently, and you do have. Remember, we looked at a way where you can do multiple comments in Python. Yeah, Pros. Familiar? Yeah, where we can do multiple comments and other things. We just use a single, yeah, that one, and then close it. So that really works for us. I'm going to skip all that. So let's say you've got a list called fruits. And to begin the list, these are just sort of the keywords you use, just square brackets. And I'm going to have list of strings. Probably make it clear. Make it clear. So some fruits, let's have apple, banana, and cherry. Somebody just showed me how to play with this interface, so I'm going to do it that way. Yeah, apple, banana, and cherry. So we want to print out each of these elements line by line. So we do have an idea that we have to use what? The print statement, right? And we want to say, let's have a variable, like call the variable X. And the idea is to take this X and iterate it through the indexes of this particular list, right? Which means assign S to apple, print it, assign S to banana, print it, assign S to. So we're looking at an X variable that is sort of incrementing at a fixed number, more or less. So in this case, we will say 4. And we're looking at the variable is X, and in, we just, Python allow us to sort of return the whole list, right? So we just say for X in this particular list, and the name of the list is what? Fruits. Then we just print X. And because it's in this one, the print should be under the function. We just use indentation there. And then we'll run it to see what happens. Notice it prints all the elements out one by one for me. I want you to do something. I want you to try to have 5 elements to your list and then print all of them out.